turn.
Yeah. Slowly. Oh, no, not that one. Maybe this one. Slowly. Oh, no, not. Choose the other one. Maybe this one. Tres. Oh, sige. Slowly.
Good job.
Oh, okay. Perfect.
Good job.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Oh, that's enough. No, that's fine. Okay.
You did it.
Oh, wow.
Let me make my tablet.
Okay.
Yes.
You know,
Iron
So,
turn.
who's next?
that's 10, 14 years.
Who's turn?
Yeah, 14 years. 296,000 miles.
What's your name?
And I read.
45 years ago.
Auntie Irene.
Inday.
Parehas ba kayo ng lugar ni Jovel? Lugar kayo?
You.
Hindi. Sa amin siya, dun sa amin sa ano, sa Davao.
Burning oil at 50,000. Oh, yeah. Oh, and their gas tank, 2 quarts of oil, $5 a gas.
Okay, who's next?
Ate Jenny.
Auntie Danny.
Ah, very good.
Okay, alright.
Auntie Danny.
Alright, let's see.
That's you.
Oh, yeah, correct.
If you were lucky enough to get 75 without
That's
rebuilding the motor, you did really good.
I remember sitting in the living room one time. I think I might have been in the
Mimi.
Minnie.
my dad
That's
and I
you.
were watching TV. Our
I'm
living
not
room
Minnie.
kitchen was just one big long
Minnie
room.
Mouse.
Good job, Ate
Okay, who's
Jenny.
next? Me?
Yeah.
What's your-
Dinner or washing
what's
dishes
my
or
name?
something, and Dad and I were watching TV.
Auntie Mary.
Came on.
Auntie
My
Mary.
dad hollered, "Lynette,
Has
Lynette,
a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb.
Okay, it's Trish turn.
Okay, Tricia. Your turn, Trish.
I went
Wait,
to
Trish,
a
wait.
Chevrolet
Maybe this one, Trish. Oh.
there in Mankato.
Ay,
Maybe this one, Trish. Wait. Oh, maybe this one, Trish. Oh, this one. Slowly. Slowly. Slowly.
I bet you I
tawang taw.
Look.
No, you can. Yeah, you can. Oh my God. No, don't. Okay.
Batang to.
You turn.
basically our money was
There we go.
Pwede nung sa baba.
It's your turn.
It's your turn.
Oh,
No,
wow.
it's your turn.
Her turn.
Pepe.
Okay.
Pepe. Oh, nahon.
or the mega.
Oh, my dinosaur.
Single guy in Michigan
Hello.
hit that
Hello,
$1 billion.
dinosaur.
Okay, good job, Irene.
One single guy in Michigan hit the numbers.
Once upon a time.
I think the cash payout was like 700 and some million.
There you
Can
go.
I
walk.
wouldn't want it that would wreck.
Okay.
Oh, Tricia, careful,
Well, it
Trish.
made me feel pretty good for a while.
Once upon a time.
Once upon a time.
On the cover.
Yeah,
You
good.
know, it'd be nice if you had the strength to do that.
Oh my God.
Guwapa.
Mario.
Get off track.
Ano ba yung malambot?
I've seen a show. It was
Now you know how hard you're fighting.
Nalambot yan.
yeah.
Malambot.
Most years ago it was on every.
Kasi mo.
Good job, Timarlo.
Go to the dab. I need to
But
get
he had.
Kasi mga yung iskalansay dito eh.
If you won the lottery or something, it was extremely high. You got like $200,000 or $300,000. And he had like
Wow, ang bilis
10
ah.
winners on one of his shows, and every one of them said it wrecked their life within 3 years or less.
Tusok-tusok, Irene, tusok-tusok. Martilyo rin, martilyo.
I see his face, and I can't remember his name.
Oh my God.
Bawal ang pasmado, ani.
Who's fun?
Mine.
Denny.
No. That's.
It was last Thursday.
goodness. What is this?
Silip-silip.
My turn.
Oh my goodness.
Oh!
What is my turn?
Oh my goodness.
Hanapin ang malabat. Malambat na malambat. Oh.
Hindi rin. Hindi rin.
Oh. Oh my God.
Okay.
So tinira mo lahat na matigas na?
Ayoko ng matigas.
Gagamitan ko na to ng martilyo eh. Para lumambot. Oh my God.
Okay.
Naligtas din.
Sige, sorry. Okay.
Oh my God, mahaba na yung building natin.
It's my turn.
No, not yet.
Ay, ikaw pa din. Excited ah.
Unahin na to para mapilayan to.
It's my turn.
Oh,
It's my turn.
it's my turn. Oh, Trisha's store? Oh my God.
Okay, Trisha's turn. Trisha's turn.
Tabutan ko muna to. Awag ko muna magpindot. Oh, this. Oh, this one, Trish, dali. Push, slowly. Oh, wait. Wait, I wanna hold your hand. Hold! Oh, sige, get slowly, slowly, slowly.
Good job, Trisha.
Slowly, ha? Oh, sige, slowly. Oh my God.
That's an amazing story there.
Okay, okay, that's
America
good.
was so prejudiced.
Good job, Trisha. Nakaginawa din. Nakaginawa ko do.
You did it.
It's your turn.
Oh, wow.
It's done.
Malambot pala yun.
It's done.
Look, oh my God, mataas na. Tigidig-dig. 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 One hand, one hand. Oh, oh my God.
It's anti-vision.
Uy, nagsayaw-sayaw na do.
They got it pretty well pulled apart.
Unbelievable. Well done, young lady.
Good job, Ardy.
Sine. Dito parang suspense to eh. Kasi lahat matigas.
Ayaw nga ni Ate Jenny ng matigas.
Oh, sige.
Ayoko ng matigas.
Sige, malambot.
Na
Matigas-tigas. Tricia, don't touch the table, Trish.
oh, hindi.
Walang matigas.
O yan. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, shocking.
Okay, go. Okay, matibay.
Ngayon, ayaw ko na mag-alalay kay Tricia. Kabahan ako. Parang kinakabahan ako dito ni Tricia. Oh my God, gumalaw. Ba't parang lahat matigas?
Gusto mo na matigas?
Gusto niya ng matigas.
Oh! Sumayaw. Ang gusto ko siya ibalik.
Good job, Ate. Okay, si Trish na, si Trish.
Ikaw na mag-assist kasi parang wag na si Tricia. O, si take a picture na lang only. O, take a picture. Okay.
Oh my.
Wag na si Tricia kasi okay.
Hey, I got that enhanced driver's license.
Kinakabahan ako ni Tricia. Patricia, don't move. Oh, don't touch the table, Teresa.
Yeah, yeah.
Kasi yung isa, naghahanap na ng magandang pwesto. Kung saan yung malambot.
It just doesn't have something.
Pwede nang ganyan.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, Tris. Excuse, Tris.
Enhanced me.
You can use it to fly anywhere in Puerto Rico and Hawaii. I don't know if I can use it to cross into Mexico or Canada. But
He likes
sooner or later, everybody needs a real ID, but with the enhanced.
Gilot-hilot, gido. Oh. Oh.
But if you got a passport, you really don't need the other either.
You guys should be watching this. This is unbelievable.
Oh, my gosh.
I don't like
You gotta go way.
Hala ka, mataas na.
You want to last
yan.
very.
Okay.
Irene.
Oh, si Irene pa di ay.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's easy. That one.
Oh my God, why only one now?
it's my turn.
No, Ate Sine's turn. Ate Sine's turn.
Okay.
Ate Sine's turn.
Yippers.
Oh my God, mataas na.
See, back in the day, I would have ran over there and messed
And
with
even
Okay. I cannot get these out here because otherwise.
Ba't ka sa taas, no?
Kaya nga.
Of course, you always pick the middle ones. They don't want to
Oh, la.
There you go.
Jobel. Jobel.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness, that's not good.
Wala. Parang hindi ka rin humihinga, you know? Tapos nakakita talaga siya ng ano, malambot.
here already.
Oh, where did you...
Oh,
Oh. Oh, Tris, don't move. It's my
Take
turn.
mine, Tris.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your
yeah.
proxy.
Because in
Yeah.
okay.
Ninervyos nga ako eh.
You can't do it now? You want mommy to
That's a long tower now.
No, it's Andy's turn.
Oh my God.
Nahiwi dito.
Sorry.
Oh, shit. Dito ako sa kabila.
Are you
Pwede naman
coursing?
dito. Oh.
Are you coursing?
No bad words.
Sasha, don't move the table.
Ang tigas nito.
Lagyan mo ng oil.
Ang galing, no?
Matuwang na lang kay gas.
Oh, wow.
Sabi ko rin ba?
It's my turn?
Yep. Jovel's turn.
Good job.
Let's do.
Oh, isa lang kakamot. Isa lang.
One hand lang.
I trust mommy.
Oh, I
It's
trust.
her turn.
One
Oh.
hand.
No fault. Make that one.
Okay, wait.
One hand lang.
One hand?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Trisha, don't push me.
Oh, yeah. Malambot lang.
Sorry, te.
We're going up.
Oh my gosh.
We're going up. Wait for me to fly.
Oh my gosh.
It's my turn.
We're done. Our turn is done.
Can I my
Later. You just must it.
Yeah, it's Ate Copper's turn.
Oh, tigas.